So you can see here we have, I think, four problems. We will solve these problems together. Two resistors of resistance R1 and R2 ohm are connected in parallel in an electric circuit to make an equivalent resistance of R per ohm. The value of R can be found from the equation. So all the good news here, and because this is the first question, we give you the formula. In the other question, you should find the formula by yourself, by the way. So here we have 1 over R equal 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2. This is the formula, we have it. If R1 is decreasing at this rate, so R1 decreasing, that means dR1 over dt equal minus 1. R2 is increasing, so dR2 over dt equal 2 ohm. Find the rate of change of R when R1 equal to 5, R2 equal to 6. So here we can write R1 5, R2 equal to 6. Okay, so to find the derivative of this, but we should say this R to the power minus 1, R1 to the power minus 1, or use the formula, which is minus 1 divide R squared dr over dt equal minus 1 divide R1 squared dr1 divide dt plus another minus 1 divide R2 squared dr2 over dt. I have R1, R2, we can replace them here. I have dr1, dr2, I have them. So the only missing part here to solve this equation, it's R. So here I will find R, maybe here. 1 divide R equal 1 divide 5 plus 1 divide 6. So 6 plus 5 divide 30, 1 over R. R itself will be reciprocal this 30 divide 11. Okay, so this dr over dt, and I will multiply everything here with minus R squared. Sorry, it's not R2, this one, R squared. So what will happen if this negative with negative, negative with negative, all these will be positives. And this will be, by the way, I'll multiply this here and here and here. So R squared divide, so I say the negative will make everything negative. This with this will be cancelled. So R squared divide R1 squared dr1 divide dt plus R squared divide R2 squared dr over dt, and dr2 here, where is the 2? I cannot see it. 2, and this will be 2. Okay, dr over dt equal R squared, that means 30 divide 11 squared divide R1, where is R1? R1 here, it's 5 squared plus, oh, I forget dr1. dr1 from here, it's a minus 1 plus R square again, 30 divided 11 square divided by R2 square. R2, it's a 6 square time, I believe 2, dr2. Okay, dr divide dt as a final answer will be a number. I should use the calculator to find it. Uh, this will be 30 divided 11 whole square. Yeah, this take a time. I think I should skip it. Square. Yeah, I believe it's taking time. You can do it by yourself because we need to make this videos as short as possible. No problem. Only put this in calculator, build this in calculator, then you can write the final answer here. Okay, ladder 13-meter long, rest on horizontal ground and lies again a vertical wall. So something like this, and my ladder will be here. It's 90. The top of the ladder is sliding down, so the movement will be here decreasing, is pulling away from a wall at rate. So this is dx over dt equal at rate of 0.5 meter per second. Moreover, the foot of the ladder is pulling away from the wall at O. So ladder down at this rate, sorry. So dy over dt equal 0.5 minus. Okay, this will be 0.6. Positive, by the way, this one. Increase. Find the rate of change of area of triangle formed by the ladder wall ground when foot of the ladder is 8 meter from, so x equal 8 meter. Don't forget this one is 13. Okay, we need to find the rate of change of area here. So area equal what? Since we have a right triangle, this will be base, this will be h. So half x, y, what we say dy here and cx here, or this is x, this is y. Okay, so we should find dA over dt. It's first derivative of second dy over dt plus second, which is y, derivative of first half. It's not only the derivative of half x half, because here we have the relative rate. So the derivative of x will be dx over dt. Okay, I have dA. I want to find the change of rate of area, so we need to find dA over dt. This is what we need to find it. I have the value of x, I have dx, I have dy, I don't have the value of y. So we can use easily Pythagorean method for the same triangle. Here we have 8, here we have 13, here we have y. So 13 square equal 8 square plus y square. 169 minus 64 equal y square. So that's mean y equal this will be 105 under the root. So dA over dt equal half x. X is 8, 1 over 2 times 8 times dy minus half plus y. Y we find it from here, the root of 105. Then another half, then dx. Dx is 0.6. So half times half, 1 over 4. So this will be minus 4. Plus, we can find the value of root. Where's the root in the calculator? 105. Multiply by half, 0.5. multiply by 0.6. And the final answer will be definitely less than -4, 0.074. So this will be minus 0.926. I think this, something like this. I believe this is the correct answer. Okay, I know from the beginning that this going down, by the way, so the area will be decreased. So that's why the change of the area will be negative, definitely. Okay, as I say, we will keep trying to do this as fast as possible with all details where you can understand and making the video not that much long. A spherical balloon is inflated with helium at the rate of 100 by feet cube per minute. How fast is the balloon radius increase? So we have a balloon here. So the shape of it should be spherical. So, and we have, they fill it with rate, that means dV over dt equal 100 by feet cube per minute. How fast is the balloon radius increase? So dr over dt, it's the one we wanted. The radius is 5, r equal 5. How fast is the surface area increase? So yeah, this one, it seemed like we have two questions. The first question will be for the radius, the increase at the radius, then the surface area. Okay, we have V equal 4 over 3 by r cube. dV over dt equal 4 over 3 by and 3r squared dr over dt. dV, we have it 100 by 3 with 3 will be cancelled, r equal to 5, so 25. 25 times 4, 25 here and 4 here, 100 by dr over dt, divide 100 by, divide 100 by. So dr over dt, change in the radius equal 1, and the 1 is positive, we know, because the volume increased. Okay, this, let me say part 1. Part 2, how fast is the surface area increase? Surface area, it's 4 by r square. So change of or increase in surface area dSA per dt equal 8 by r dr over dt. And this will be 8 by, and the radius is 5. dr from here we got it as 1. dSA per dt, dSA over dt equal 5 times 1, 5 times 4, 40 pi. Okay. By the way, both of them will be this one feet per minute. This will be feet square per minute, I think. Feet cube per, yeah, feet square per minute. Another question here we have it, and this will be the last. By the way, 4 questions, they are not enough for related rate. So in the next lecture or in the next video, I will add maybe 1 or 2 more exercise. I believe 2 will be a good number because linearization and differential is an easy concept. So I will add 2 more question there. Again, we have a spherical snowball is melting in such a way that its diameter decrease at this diameter. Don't forget that, it's very important. So we have again spherical snowball, something like this. Decrease, by the way, that means dA over dt diameter, or dd, I can say. Okay, diameter. d of d equal 0.4, and don't forget it's negative. At what rate is the volume of Snowball decreasing? The volume of Snowball, it's 4 over 3 by r cubed. Decreasing when the diameter, okay, d equals 17. We know from here to here or from here to here is the r, and here is the r. We don't have d, so r equal what? If diameter 17, r will be 8.5. dr over dt, it's the half of rate of change of the diameter, so that's mean minus 0.2 centimeter per minute. So dv over dt equal 4 over 3 pi times 3r squared dr over dt. dv over dt equal 3 will be cancelled, r equal 8.5 squared, so 4 by 8.5 squared, and the value of dr, by the way, it's minus 0.2. And until here, they say the decreasing, so that means definitely the answer will be negative. So for time 8.5 square, again time 0.2, the answer will be 289 divided 5 pi. Okay, thank you for attending this lecture. See you next class. Again, next class I will, or next lecture, I will have two more question for relative rate and 4 question, I believe, for linearization and differential.